it's not like a super grand OA romantic. No, it's more of focusing on the lessons that we can learn. So sobrang ganda. I felt every emotion, sadness, tapos biglang natatawa, tapos may kilig talaga. So it's a definitely nice, warm.
Without spoiling anything, anong part ng movie yung pinaka na-apekto ka? Yung kapag-realize na anything?
I have two. Wow! Isa lang eh. So ikaw, I have one. Yeah, it's hard to.
Ito na ilaw dito.
That one scene where you expect them to do something or to do more, but then they don't. And there I really realized the importance of friendship, what love really is. That love isn't just romantic. It cannot be shared just by romantic or any form like that. It can also be shared heavily and deeply with friendship. For me, sige, one na lang. I think it's the importance of living. Because every day, yes, we choose to live. There's so many instances in our life that we feel like we've died. It doesn't mean physically, but emotionally and mentally. And that's, I think, something that we're very in denial. We don't, or like our society doesn't really hold on to that. But I think this movie is an eye-opener. And it's really a great opener for the Filipino audience.
Actually, dapat bilang Gen Z, kamusta naman ang tingin mo sa timbangan ng parang sample ng mga
Grabe, sa trailer pa lang, sabi ko, oh my God! Yeah, Kim Pao na movie. And then we saw like the clip. Is this really happening between Ma'am Charo and their Ding Dong? It was very interesting. It piqued my interest. That's why I also enjoyed the movie. And
Baka sumama na ka na naman.
Sobra, while watching it, parang ang galing nila. They're both great actors, definitely. Kaya na-excited din ako manood. I think everyone relates to that. And seeing them on screen, grabe, the chemistry, everything, they gave justice to their roles. So,
Kaso lang lines, no?
yes,
Ano,
mata-matahan lang.
Tapos may...
Tapos no spoilers.
Pero nakakakilig talaga.
Invite natin pa naman to watch kung now showing in cinemas worldwide.
Only we know it's now showing worldwide, kaya napanood lang namin ang movie and we enjoyed it. So, you wanna enjoy it as well? What are you waiting for?
I know, now showing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kay, portrait ako. Yan. One more.
Ay, sorry.
Just go. Yan. 1, 2, 3. One more.
Okay. Saka na po. Yung pinalabas sa inyo na direct kayo. Hindi ko na binigyan.
Very refreshing take. Friendship and still lang yung maganda na chemistry ni Dong tsaka ni kung ano man yun. I represent such a unique relationship na parang wala lang, ang ganda lang panoorin. Ganda siya ng atake sa I think ma-appreciate ng chemistry. Ako naman same. Grabe rin yung kilig. From the start pa lang na nilabas yung video. Bayan sa bahay. Iba yung chemistry ni Ma'am Charo and ni Ding Dong. As in, sobrang natural yung atake. Tapos, iba rin yung expectation ko sa buong movie kasi hindi namin alam kung magkakaroon ba ng kissing scene. Yung mangyari like extra pa sa ginagawa nila pero in the end, yung friendship yun ng ibabaw. And I think tama lang yung ending. Yung kausap ng mga friends ko. Sobrang tama lang. Sobrang nakakatawa yung final movie kasi right from the start hanggang sa dulo as in walang tapos. Sobrang
Thank you.
Thank you po.